Coaches, you might be seeing a lot of gurus out there telling you high ticket sales, do this, low ticket sales, webinars, and lot more things, right? And you are facing a challenge to grow your coaching business because of increase in ad cost, decrease in sales, and lot more things. In this video, we are going to analyze what are the different business models which you can use in your business and eventually get results. Now you might be thinking, why should I watch this video? So I run a funnels traffic agency where we are working with different coaches and on different models. So we have the numbers of these models, and trust me, everyone is doing good. So you have to decide what model eventually you have to choose and how you have to take your business. So it's not that this model is good, that model is not good. Every model is good. It's about how you want to take that route, and you have to eventually achieve that success and the numbers you want. So first widely used business model first is webinars. Okay. So now this model is very good, very good. Why? Because it is in groups. It's a group coaching model where a lot of people will come to your program or webinar, and you eventually showcase your skills, results, and how they can learn from you and eventually buy your products, buy from you. Okay, this is a group model. You can cater 100 people at a time or even 1000 people at a time. So this is a scalable model. It's independent of time. You can do either 4 webinars in a month or even 8 webinars per month or even 16 webinars per month. I'm working with coaches who are doing even 16 webinars per month. So this is the webinar model. Now you might be telling, Sagar, but I am running a webinar model. I want to start a webinar model, but I have to invest a lot more money in ads. Yes, you are right. 1 year back, it was easy to start this webinar model because ad cost was very low. The cost of one customer coming to your webinar was in the range of 30, 40 or 30, 40 rupees or even sometimes 20. But today in 2024, if you say one person coming to your webinar, you have to spend at least 100 rupees. Okay. So if you want 100 people, you have to invest 10k in your ads bare minimum. So these are the numbers nowadays, or even less than 100, because all of these students will not attend your webinar. So these are still going good, but you have to understand that you have to invest, take some risk, see this as a business, and eventually you will not make money from first webinar. You will have to do at least 6-8 webinars and eventually make money, or you have to launch one more product, which is L2 product. This first webinar would be to acquire the customer, break even, like you are spending 10,000 in ads or 20,000 in ads, you eventually recover that, and then you sell your higher ticket program. Second model is VSL model, where customer will see your video. He will see your video, like what you are offering, what problem you are solving. You are eventually creating this video to qualify the customer that who we are, what problem we are solving, and eventually then book a call, one-to-one call. This is one-to-one call. You are going to book a one-to-one call and you are going to sell a high ticket product directly. High ticket product, because now you are giving one-to-one of your time in sales. So let's assume you are working for 6 hours in a day, okay, just on acquiring new customer. Product delivery is altogether the different thing. Once you acquire a customer, you have to serve them. That is a different time. This 6 hours, I am telling 5 to 6 hours in a day to talk to new customers, to bring those customers into your business. You can't give more than 5-6 hours, right? If you are a single business owner or you are managing all the sales alone. So if you are doing 5 calls, eventually you can only do 5 into 25 days. If you are working in a month, you can do 125 calls. And if your closing rate is 5%, since it's high ticket, you will close 5 to 6 sales. Now 5 to 6 sales, if you are charging 1 lakh rupees, you can make 5 to 6 lakhs rupees from this model. But understand one thing, These 5-6 hours are one-to-one sales. Here it was a group coaching. Here you have to do just 4 webinars or 8 webinars a month, and here 25 days you have to do one-to-one sales, until and unless you are not building a sales team. So here you have to build a strong, solid sales team, which requires time, effort, money, lot more trainings and lot more things. So this was webinar model. This was VSL model. Third is direct sales. Now you might have seen Ankur Warikoo. What he does? He launches small ticket programs, which is for 2000 rupees, 1000 rupees, 2.5k, 1999, how to YouTube, how to LinkedIn. What he is doing? He is directly selling to the customers from ads. He is not qualifying the customer. He is not bringing the customer to webinar, or he is not talking to customer on one-to-one sale. He is directly selling. Okay. Now this is direct sale. This is also good, but again you have to take loss in direct selling products and eventually have the high ticket product and do the workshops again to these people and eventually sell your different products. So this is the direct sale model, and trust me, this also works. Okay. Now next model comes is fourth model. Here I am writing 3 to 5 day challenges. Now what this model says, this model is 3 to 5 day challenges. What you have to do is you have to invite a person into your workshop and tell them, I'll work with you for 3 days or 5 days with you, and I'll train you on particular thing. Okay, I'll train you on particular thing. Let's say you are a weight loss coach. Now you will bring a person into your 3-day or 5-day challenge, and you will solve one of their problem. Now to solve the weight loss problem, now to do the weight loss, you have to focus on a lot of things: eating, exercise, and lot more different aspects, mindset of not eating, what to eat, what not to eat, nutrition, and lot more aspects. So in 5 days you will not solve the complete puzzle. You will solve just the one aspect of weight loss, and now you can tell your customer who is sitting that in these 5 days you have done this, but there are many more steps to cover, and if you want to achieve the desired result, you have to enroll in my high ticket workshop. Again, after this you have to do high ticket sales. Why high ticket will do good in this? Because now you have at least taught someone for 5 days. Now they know you, your trust is high, and if they loved the approach you are taking to solve the minute problem or the starting step, eventually they will trust you that you can solve the bigger problem also. So this also works very good. Okay. And if you are new, I would recommend you to start with this 3 to 5 day workshops. Okay, because this will give a quality audience into your business, or quality customers, I would say, if you are very new. And if you have more time, then you can start the VSL model also. And if you are very good at sales, you have done sales earlier, you have tested offer, your offer is working, then you can start with webinar, because you are confident in sales. You will be confident in spending this extra money to bring in the customers first and eventually do the sales. Now last but not the least, fifth model. This is the old school model, which is offline coaching. Again, this model is also good. Many people want offline coaching, but it has some restriction. It can be done only at your own particular area, or otherwise there are coaches who are doing webinars, VSLs, 3-day challenges, and have the community, and eventually then giving the offline coaching also. Okay, so that's how they are building an online authority also, and then going different places or in different metro cities and eventually doing offline coaching also. That's how they are building a brand also. Okay, so this is the fifth thing which is also working good. So these are the 5 different models, and if you are starting out, you are very new in the business, I would highly recommend go with 3 to 5 day challenges, not even VSL. Why? Do you know why? Because VSL, again, doing one-to-one sales is very hard. Okay, or I would say it's more time consuming. Here you will bring in the customer for low cost, let's say 99 rupees or even free. Now they are spending 3 to 5 days with you. You are teaching something to them. eventually there are high chances they would be your customer. Here you are not teaching something, you are just trying to sell them in one-to-one call. Okay, but here you are teaching something, and that's how they would trust you more. Okay, so do this. And if you like the video, if you have any questions regarding these 5 business model, what are the numbers, what to do, what not to do, you can comment or book a call with us, and we'll definitely help you with it. Thank you.